Hey, what's up, YouTube? Rich UX here from richandniche.com. It's been a while since I checked in. Obviously, we have a lot going on right now with the coronavirus and the global moment in time that we're all facing. And I wanted to reach out today to connect with you guys, see where you're at, let you know what I've been up to, and ultimately how I can help you during this time. So, 60 days ago, I launched a new program called Full Stack Marketing Funnels. And in the last 2 months, I've been heavily involved with that, making sure that the students were thriving. I've been hosting my weekly office hours calls for them where we're getting a lot of great questions. I'm able to answer a lot more of the unique questions about the freelance marketing career or the full stack marketer or digital marketing consulting, basically giving people a really well-rounded experience. I've also, in the last 60 days, written a new book called Attract and Convert. It is a book for new marketers who want to understand how to build a business around themselves. I know it can be really hard to get new clients, generating leads, getting discovery calls going, and booking people in and putting them through your delivery process. So I've broken it down into a 4-step process, and I've written a nice little book that's going to be coming out in the coming days. Not exactly sure when. Working hard on it right now. There's going to be an audio version as well. But what I really wanted to share with you today is some thoughts on just dealing with working from home. And, the group I'm really concerned about in the world right now is those who just cannot go to their job because their workplace has been closed for whatever reason. And you don't know when you're going to be able to get back to work, and you don't know if you're going to get laid off. I really sympathize with those who have been hit by this right now and don't have the luxury of just working from home. Not every job can be ported over to an home office, and I'm sure there's millions of people who are in that exact situation. So what I'm doing is I've started a daily live stream. I've been live every day this week, 3 days in a row so far on Twitch TV. You can find my stream at twitch.tv/richandniche. You can also just go to richandniche.com/live. And every day at 2 p.m. Pacific for the next 60 days or so, at least, I'm going to be doing a daily live stream. And the point of it is to learn how to earn more remote income. I'm going to be teaching people how to make their first dollar online all the way up to their first $1,000 online. What are the different steps you need to take from the very beginner to making consistent money? And then how can you even get into $100 a day perhaps and beyond? What does it take? I'm going to be going step by step through that over the course of this live stream series, which I'm calling the Go Remote series. I also have a sale going on right now for my full stack marketing program. If you use the coupon code Go Remote, you can save $250. So you might want to get in on that now. There's only about 30 seats left in the lifetime collective community, which has become something very special. Even I'm impressed. So over the last 3 to 6 months, I started developing a private community for digital marketers. It's called the Rich and Niche Collective, and it's where we can gather to discuss all sorts of issues around digital marketing and growing our career. But the truth is, lately we've been talking about coronavirus and how to deal with it, and we've had these amazing international calls with 20 plus people sharing their stories from around the world, so we can have these shared experiences and insights about what's going on. This community is impressing everyone. People are surprised at how active it is, how everyone relates on those similar values about, working remotely, building online income, getting into digital marketing and brand building. So I feel very blessed right now. I feel like a lot of things I haven't been affected too harshly. And that's great because I have a baby with my wife coming in about 2 months. So we're actually feeling pretty positive right now, and we're trying to put our energy back into the community. That's why I've started the daily live stream on Twitch. So I hope you come over and check the live stream because this is like a free thing. You could learn so much from this live stream if you're stuck at home right now. I highly recommend you check out a few of the 2 p.m. streams. So that's every day, 2 p.m. Pacific. It's always going to be the same time, so you know where it's at. And, if it goes well, we'll keep it going because I think it's so important to have community right now as we become more isolated, more disjointed. It's important that we keep connected with people, and especially people we feel safe around. And I bet if you came into our community, you'd be very surprised at how welcoming we are, and how open we are to new people and how helpful everyone is in helping others progress in their digital marketing career. So I'll be back with more content soon, guys. I know I've taken a bit of a break, but I've been really delivering for my students. I really love being a teacher, and I'm not just sort of putting people through an online course and I don't talk with them again. I have regular conversations with many of my students. So, this is kind of about the time where people are going to start using the internet differently. We've seen a lot of people just put out kind of some brainless content, not that valuable content, and even selling things in sort of a non-transparent, non-authentic way. But I think there's a new evolution coming to this all. I think a lot more people are going to come to the internet who haven't used it before, and you're going to see a lot more cool, authentic, unique presentations, especially a lot of the stuff that you've seen me create, a lot more long form content, a lot more tutorial and screen sharing, breaking things down. I think a lot more people are going to do that. We're not going to see as much clickbait. We're not going to see as much trivial content. I think the internet, Zoom calls, live streams, what we're about to see is the third revolution. It's a digital one. It's a global one. And we definitely need to be aware of the tools that we're using. What are their pros? What are their cons? We have to learn how to manage this stuff. And I definitely feel like a bit of a leader when it comes to doing this sort of thing and hosting these gatherings so that other people can learn and improve their lives and ultimately become more free. Everything I do is really designed around empowering people and bringing more freedom to your life. Not that you have the time to do anything and everything all the time, but perhaps at least you can choose where to work, when to work, who to work with, and what to work on. I mean, those are just so critical, and those really drive a lot of wealth-based values in your life, make you feel really good about the life you've created. I'm all about that lifestyle design, especially that Ikigai lifestyle design. So if you want to learn more from me, if you want to check out the things I'm working on right now, you definitely want to be coming to the live stream. So check out twitch.tv/Rich and Niche. I'll put a link below. Go follow my channel. You can watch the VODs. They are on replay. I'll probably buy Twitch Prime or whatever, Twitch Premium, so I can get the 60-day VODs. And already we have a loyalty currency going on. You can come earn niche coins where you can actually use the money you earn from my stream by just being there. You could spend that money on some of my programs, offers, and community goods. So trying my best to give back, trying my best to be a leader and drive positivity and growth, even during such a difficult time. I don't take this time lightly. I thought I was going to take a break the last few months. I've ended up working twice as hard. I've given up a lot of my free time to really deploy a lot of these activities because I think now is actually a time of opportunity. I think now people are going to see exponential growths in many different areas, not just the healthcare ones we face. So I hope that you come join me. If not, I hope you stay well. I hope you stay safe. I hope you, look at this time to, evaluate your lifestyle. Is it exactly what you want? Is it what you've been working towards? Are you being led by the right people? Are you spending time with the right people? Are you working on the right things that are going to get you towards your goals? I would love to be a support pillar in your life. I believe my content can help a lot of people escape the 9-to-5 and move into more remote capable work so that you can have the freedom to be where you want and when you want. And I think now we're seeing more than ever how much value that really is. So even if you had to take a pay cut, but you could go remote, how much more value would that be in your lifestyle? What would that truly be worth to you? So I hope that gives you something to think about. Don't forget to check about my offer. You can go to my website, richandnicheacademy.com. I'll link that below as well. You can pick up my workshop for $250 off this week only. I believe that ends in about 4 days from now, March 23rd. So thank you for listening. Stay blessed, stay strong. We will make it through this. Humans are very resilient. Let me say that again. Humans are very resilient. We can make it through this. You'll be just fine.